So coming in here now to Mullinavat, so I was told to take the first left as we go in here. Let's have a look. Don't go chasing waterfalls, as TLC said back in the day. So you take the first left here by the pub. So we just turn in here, Jim Jazz Bar. I didn't get to see the name of that when I was there. So all the way down here, I'm just going to leave a run because if you are looking for the place, you will need to see this, so you know exactly where you're going. Because I showed you how not to do it first. As all good explorers should do, is to show others how not to do it. So I should have taken the left here, as you can see. So the left brings you up by the hurling pitch, Gaelic pitch, whichever, GAA pitch anyway. So don't take the right up here where the school is and stuff, so you know you've taken the wrong turn here already. Now sometimes it works to your advantage, so I found a sign for a dolmen, so I said, look, nothing to lose, I'll go up this way, have a look around. But yeah, again, couldn't find anything, and then just ended up on a back road which you couldn't swing a cat on. And then so I've gone up here and I'm like, grass in the middle of the road, I'm going nowhere. I need to get turned around here and get back on the road. So you can see how bad it is here, especially, you know, from my experience. I don't have great experience in it, and it's not a touring bike, which I'm thinking more now that I might need one because I seem to be on off-road the whole time off of my little adventure. So yeah, so I was thinking to myself then, should I stay here and look for it, or should I go home? So I got talking to a local while I was having a cup of tea, a much well-earned cup of tea, let me tell you. And he was telling me just a little detail of where to go or what to look for. So he was saying to look for a concrete fence and just little steps down then to the waterfall, and from there it's simple to find, but that little detail is massive. So if you're going up looking for this, look for the concrete fence and the little steps to it to the right. Then don't go up, there's a little left hill there. I can't find the footage, I'm going mad, I can't find the footage because it was really slow speed riding, and it was brilliant training. It was hairy at the time, but it was really good because I'd never been on road like that before. Like, there was lots of high grass in the middle, so there was barely a bit on the side. I was brushing up against the branches and stuff. It was that close. So we're nearly here now, and the drive before that was all straight through. You just keep following the road. I went up left just before those cars there. That's where I made a mistake on going, but so I'll pull in here. You can park more or less anywhere, I think. So you can see the fence just right up to your right there, and that's where we can go. So I'm just going to park up the bike and walk up a bit. Now the helmet's on the side, but it'll be handy just to see it. So I have my bike left over there. Yeah, and when you come up, it's actually in here. I asked the local, and it's actually in here. How didn't I see it? Because I was on the bike. So walk down here. Poulanassy. That's it. Hiya, how are you? Up here. This is really nice. No wonder you came up here, demo. Wow. Wowee. So we may have found a waterfall. I mean, what more do you want? Absolutely beautiful. Gonna go back down to get a look from down to up. Such a stunning place. Absolutely. Hidden gem. Ready? Yep. That is the business. Big enough too. It'll be alright.